What if something massive was racing through space right now? Not a comet, not a rock, but something built by someone else. Could humanity be looking at the first undeniable sign of alien technology? Scientists around the world are now turning their eyes toward a strange visitor named 3I/ATLAS, an interstellar object that's so unusual, some experts think it might not be natural at all. When people first heard about it, most thought it was just another comet passing by our solar system. But then, astronomers started noticing things that didn't make sense. Things that challenged everything we thought we knew about space. Imagine for a second what would happen if 3I/ATLAS actually crashed into Earth. The destruction would be unimaginable. Enormous tsunamis would rise and swallow coastlines. Earthquakes would tear open the ground. Firestorms would rage across continents, and a thick layer of dust would block out the sunlight for months. Thankfully, that's not going to happen. But this terrifying scenario shows just how powerful this object really is. You see, 3I/ATLAS isn't your average space rock. Scientists estimate it weighs around 33 billion tons. That's the weight of 3.3 million Eiffel Towers, or 15 times the weight of every car on Earth combined. Try to imagine a flying mountain made of ice, dust, and rock hurtling through space at an incredible speed. That's 3I/ATLAS. But what if it's not just a natural object? When NASA first detected it, using their Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert system, astronomers were quick to confirm that it wasn't from our solar system at all. It came from somewhere else. Far beyond the reach of our sun, it became only the third interstellar object ever discovered, joining the mysterious ranks of Oumuamua in 2017 and 2I/Borisov in 2019. But what made 3I/ATLAS truly stand out wasn't just its size, it was how it moved. Most objects in our solar system, comets, asteroids, even planets, follow curved orbits because of gravity. But this one, it's moving in a nearly straight line, as if something is guiding it. That's what first made some researchers whisper a bold theory. What if this isn't a comet at all? What if it's an alien probe? Its nucleus measures around 3.5 miles wide, possibly even larger. It releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide and dust as it races toward the sun, much more than any interstellar object seen before, up to 100,000 times more active than Oumuamua or Borisov. This is no ordinary visitor. And the speed? Unbelievable. 130,000 miles per hour. That's 170 times faster than the speed of sound. If it really came from another star system, that means it's been traveling for millions of years, slicing through the darkness of space before finally arriving here. But here's where things get truly strange. 3I/ATLAS appears to be spinning backward, in the opposite direction of almost everything else in the solar system. Some scientists think this odd rotation might be helping it move more efficiently, almost like it's adjusting itself to reduce drag. Others think this backward spin could allow it to scan or measure the planets it passes, as if it's collecting data. That theory sounds wild, right? But then again, space has always been full of mysteries that challenge our understanding. If you've heard of Oumuamua, you might remember that it was the first interstellar visitor ever detected. Its name means a messenger from afar arriving first in Hawaiian. And it really was unlike anything else. Oumuamua looked like a long, flat, cigar-shaped object, about 10 times longer than it was wide. It sped up in a way that gravity alone couldn't explain, and strangely, it had no visible tail like other comets. Some experts even suggested it could be a piece of alien technology, maybe a broken probe, maybe a solar sail, but we never got to find out. By the time telescopes focused on it, it was already leaving the solar system forever. Then in 2019, along came 2I/Borisov, discovered not by NASA but by a hobby astronomer named Gennady Borisov using a telescope he built himself. That object was different. It behaved like a traditional comet with a bright tail of gas and dust. It helped scientists learn what comets from other star systems are made of, giving a rare look into the chemistry of distant worlds. Now 3I/ATLAS, the third visitor, is rewriting the story all over again. It's far older than the other two, about 4.66 billion years old, making it nearly as old as our entire solar system. That means it may have formed when the first stars in our galaxy were just taking shape. Scientists believe it came from the Milky Way's thick disk, a region full of ancient stars and fewer heavy elements. Its age, size, and strange behavior raise a question that no one can ignore. Could 3I/ATLAS be something made? Some scientists have quietly proposed that it might be a technological artifact, possibly a probe designed by another civilization to study star systems across the galaxy. They point out that its path takes it close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter, planets that could offer valuable information to anyone studying our solar system. What if this thing was intentionally programmed to pass by these worlds? Others say its precise and straight trajectory could mean it's powered or guided by something internal, like an engine. Natural comets don't move that way. If it suddenly changes direction, even slightly, that could be the clearest sign that it's not a drifting rock, but a functioning machine. Astronomers are already watching it closely for signs of anything unusual. Radio signals, electromagnetic pulses, or tiny changes in speed that can't be explained by natural forces. If any of those things are detected, it would change everything we know about life in the universe. Of course, most experts still lean toward a more ordinary explanation. They believe 3I/ATLAS is a natural interstellar comet, just behaving in ways we haven't fully seen before. Space is full of surprises, and our instruments are only now sensitive enough to detect objects traveling between stars. But even then, scientists admit, there's something about this one that feels off. For instance, the sheer amount of material it's shedding, the vast clouds of dust and gas, suggest it's incredibly active, much more so than any other known comet. That activity might hide something else inside, something we can't yet see. If you zoom out and think about it, our solar system might just be a stop on a long cosmic route. Astronomers now believe that millions of interstellar visitors like this have passed through over billions of years, kicked out from distant planetary systems during their formation. We've probably missed almost all of them. 3I/ATLAS just happens to be one we spotted. Still, the possibility, even the smallest chance, that this is an artificial object makes it one of the most fascinating discoveries of our time. If it is an alien craft, that means we're not just looking at a visitor. We're looking at proof, silent, ancient proof, that we are not alone. And yet for now, NASA says there's nothing to fear. The comet won't come anywhere near Earth. It'll pass at a safe distance of about 150 million miles, roughly the same distance between Earth and the Sun. But its story is far from over. As it gets closer to the Sun, we might see strange changes, unexpected accelerations, flashes, or even new signals. And if that happens, the world will be watching. Until then, 3I/ATLAS continues its journey through space, a mysterious traveler from the unknown, carrying secrets we may never fully uncover. Is it a comet or something far beyond our imagination? Only time and science one will tell. So what do you think? Could 3I/ATLAS be a messenger from another world, or is it simply a natural wonder of the cosmos? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed diving into this cosmic mystery, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more mind-blowing discoveries from the universe beyond.